Hey, here's 3 ways to make your AI generated content sound just like you. Number 1, use posts that you've written in the past to train your AI so that it knows how you speak, what sorts of words you use, and it knows whether you use things like emojis or lots of white space. Number 2, think of it as a feedback loop. Whatever content you get, give your AI that feedback so that it can improve over time. Number 3, create a style guide for your AI so that it knows a bit about you and a bit about your life, and it can feed your personality into all of the content that it creates for you. If you'd like to know exactly how to create that style guide to level up your AI generated content, drop me a comment below and I will send it across and we will level up your content together. Remember to like and share this video, and I'll see you next time.